I hope that the Senate would adopt a stand that would reflect the true identity of the Senate as the last bastion of democracy ng ating bansa. At I hope that the Senate will stand as one and be firm in its decision, whatever it is, whatever decision that the Senate will collectively adopt. So, yun lang ang sa akin. Dapat manindigan ang Senado as a separate and independent entity. Dapat ang Senado ay pangalagaan yung kanyang pagiging co-equal branch of government ng ibang branches of government. Hindi naman sa hindi papayag na maaresto, kundi hindi sila whatever gustong mangyari, just in case worst comes to worst. Kung ang Malacanang ay ultimately mag-decide na otherwise no, from what we are expecting, I hope that the Senate will not bow down its head to the executive branch of government. Dapat merong sariling stand ang Senado on this particular issue. And I hope the Senate will collectively put the right and the correct stand.
Nakipag-usap po ba tayo kay Senate President Cheese para ma-secure yung mabigyan tayo ng protection ng Senado?
Hindi ko siya kinakausap. I presume that he knows what to do. Senate President, he has to protect the integrity of the institution. I am expecting it from him. Pero yung kausapin siya, kunin yung kanyang assurance, yung plano niya, hindi ko na siya kinusap. Alam niya anong ginagawa niya. I hold him responsible, being the chief executive of this government. I hold him responsible for everything, for every declaration regarding foreign policy matters that he has stated. So sinasabi niya lahat. Sinasabi niya na hindi siya mag-cooperate and he is not recognizing the jurisdiction. So naniwala pa rin ako sa kanya. Bakit ako mas maniwala doon sa kanya mga underlings who are trying to subvert his policy na very clear naman yung sinabi ng Pangulo. Bakit ako maniniwala sa mga underlings niya na no less than the chief executive himself ang nagsabi?